Hi there, I'm Eve and I'm the Admissions Advisor here at dBs Manchester, and I'll be your guide through our incredible campus here today. We are located in the basement of New Century, a creative hub in the Nova district that also features a bar and kitchen and a lively music venue on the top floor. New Century is an exciting building that connects the worlds of education, entertainment, food and music into one ecosystem, and it's only a stone's throw away from the famous Northern Quarter. It's an incredible place for you to learn, as it places you at the centre of one of the best creative community spaces in the city. Manchester is renowned for its thriving music scene, as well as being a national hub for the game industry. It is steeped in culture, offering incredible food, captivating art galleries, street art, inclusive communities and a historic sporting heritage. When it comes to studying for a degree in Manchester, it's an experience like no other. Here you'll become part of a diverse community that not only fuels your passion, but also opens doors to collaborations with professionals across the creative industries. There is a lot to see here, from game development suites to the incredible live venue upstairs. So let's jump into one of our most exciting spaces, the Neve Studio. In this suite is our flagship desk, the Neve Genesis Black, which boasts a remarkable fusion of analogue and digital capabilities. The channel strips are ingeniously compact, housing preamps, aux sends and monitor return section. Everything is fully recallable, meaning we have different scenes saved depending on how you want to set up the desk. This space is the gold standard of what the industry has to offer. As well as the Neve desk, your learning will be complemented by ATC monitors and outboard effects, from Jorma, Empirical Labs, Bracasti and Manley. Featuring lecture-style seating, this is a fantastic teaching space where large groups of students can learn to master mixing and recording techniques. Connected to this suite is our acoustically treated live room, large enough to record full band setups with multi-tracking. We have a large range of professional microphones for you to record with, as well as guitar amps, a full drum kit and everything else you would need. Next to the live room, we have a small vocal booth and amazing space for more intimate recordings. The Neve Suite is also linked to the New Century venue via optic fibre cables, allowing you to capture multi-channel audio for high-profile artists, for broadcasts, live recording and multi-track recording. Welcome to our production suites. This is where you'll get hands-on experience with professional studios. It's a space where you can perfect your mixdowns and experiment with hardware and take your producing and engineering skills to the next level. We have an array of hardware synths and controllers from the likes of UDO, Moog, Korg and Sequential. These production suites have a lot in common, but we've specifically chosen 3 different consoles that provide unique characteristics that allow you to develop your skills across multiple industry standard desks. This is our API production suite, a great space for small projects as it combines 8 mic pre's with a 16-channel summing mixer. The API The Box 2 features the legendary 550 EQs, which have all been used in the API consoles for many years, giving your mix that professional sound. In our next production suite, we have our SSL Matrix 2, which is fully DAW integrated, meaning it's great for breaking out of the box, using the motorized faders to immediately work on your digital projects. Floating insert points mean no patching is required to use the outboard gear, creating a really seamless workflow for using analog equipment. This space also has the ability to create professional recordings with the UAD Apollo 16. Our final production suite is home to the Trident 68 console, a hugely flexible analog desk with lots of inputs and output options. It's tied directly to our main live room, making it perfect for recording and mixing. This desk is really useful for teaching you the concepts of inline mixers. The layout is simple to understand and there are plenty of flexible workflows available. We also have an additional live room situated at the end of the hall. This can be fed directly into the production suites so you can work with live musicians during your sessions. Welcome to our unique Dolby Atmos suite, where you'll dive into a truly immersive environment. Equipped with state-of-the-art 7.1 0.4 PMC speaker system, this is your gateway to the captivating world of immersive audio. At dBs, you'll explore spatial audio and its applications in cinema, video games, and its revolutionary approach to music mixing. In today's industry, learning new mixing techniques and technologies is absolutely key to carving out a career. Having access to Atmos, which is rapidly becoming an industry standard, allows our undergraduates to embrace these techniques and build their skill sets in innovative areas. Here we have our main lecture theatre. For larger cohorts, this is where we bring all our groups together for seminars. It's also where we host industry speakers as part of our guest lecture programme. In the past, we have welcomed professionals from across the creative industries, including engineers, producers, game artists, programmers, and designers. We also regularly host social events in this space, such as movie nights, which is a great opportunity for you to socialise out of class time. When you're not in classes, our main breakout area is a great spot to catch up with friends or pick up where you left off with a project. The two large screens and tiered seating make this a perfect location for large-scale seminars and guest lectures, as well as synth jams and creative workshops where you can work collaboratively. Outside of our practical studio spaces, we have two iMac suites and a gaming PC suite to work on your individual or group projects at your workstation. Our gaming suite is decked out with high-spec Asus gaming PC and laptops, featuring key software including Autodesk Maya, ZBrush, Adobe Suite, plus Unreal Engine 5 and Unity 3D. This is where our game development and game art students spend most of their time working collaboratively on projects. As a game student, you'll also be able to experiment with real-world performance for your games using our motion capture suits and create creative interactive experiences using our mixed reality headsets. Our two music production iMac suites come installed with the latest versions of Ableton Live, Logic Pro X, Pro Tools, as well as a selection of software plugins, sound design tools, and virtual instruments. Each station is equipped with various MIDI controllers for you to work on your projects in the box. Above us, we have the New Century Kitchen, where independent stalls offer a wide range of excellent food and drink, from pizza and steak to plant-based banh mi and sushi. The central bar serves drinks until late, and DJs and live acts provide the soundtrack every weekend. This bar and kitchen has become a hugely popular part of Sadler's Yard and the wider Noma districts of Manchester. It's just a few minutes walk from Victoria Station and the iconic Northern Quarter. We're now on the top floor in the hall at New Century. This cutting-edge music venue features state-of-the-art sound and lighting equipment, and it's fast becoming one of the most popular venues in the city. Best of all, New Century acts as a classroom for our live sound degree students, who have the opportunity to work with the in-house sound engineers on a regular basis. Since reopening, this 1,300 capacity venue has played host to numerous established and up-and-coming artists, including The Kinks, Gabriels, and Ethel Cain. So that was our tour of our Manchester campus. Thank you for joining us. To sign up to an open day or book a tour, head to our website or speak to one of our admissions team. We hope to see you here soon.